Well, it's spring turkey season, and Josh White is joined by Andy Gant and his father on their family farm. In 2017, Andy was able to harvest his first bird. So on this hunt, they were hoping that lightning would strike twice.
Tell me a little something, Andy. What'd you just do?
Killed a turkey.
That's not just a turkey. What kind of turkey is that?
Tom.
That's a big Tom turkey, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I tell you what, son, I'm really proud of you. Hey, that turkey just read the script this morning. We came in, they were gobbling everywhere. They're still gobbling. We hadn't been here, what, 30 minutes? Since the time we set the decoys up. He just pitched down out of the bottom, came right up. I don't think he liked that old Jake decoy up there around his hens, do you? That old dead-end game call there. Just a couple little clucks and he came in, didn't he? Wow, and somebody just put the absolute smoke on him. I mean, to tell you, he dropped him in his tracks now. That's awesome. I know we hunted last year during youth season. What happened then? You got one? And this is your second one?
Second year of success.
2 years in a row, the boy has put it on it right here in the same spot. It's just one of those magic spots, isn't it? I think you need to hug your daddy's neck there and tell him thank you for buying this land. It's awful nice, isn't it? What do you think about it, Rod?
I like it. Good job, Andy. Real neat. Perfect. Wasn't here long at all.
I tell you what, it just thrills me to see these kids have success and enjoy their time in the woods. Now, let's get a few pictures and get him out of here. Go get some breakfast. Attaboy.